Hello, my friend. In contrast to the docile image of ordinary monkeys, the current problem of monkey invasion and destruction is driving farmers crazy, trying to find a solution. So what mistake did they make? Join me to explore now. Florida, a state located in the southeastern United States, is facing a major challenge affecting both agriculture and the local community: the invasion of millions of wild monkeys. This species causes severe damage to Florida, particularly to the agriculture industry, with estimated annual losses reaching up to $75 million USD. Additionally, their potential for human aggression poses a significant threat to community safety. To combat the invasion of millions of wild monkeys in Florida, several measures have been implemented. The primary approach involves licensed hunters using firearms, conducted by experienced hunters. This method utilizes precision shooting equipment to eliminate wild monkeys, adhering strictly to Florida's hunting regulations to ensure safety and effectiveness. Additionally, hunters may use fruits to lure monkeys, facilitating access and control. This helps improve target accuracy and optimize the management of wild monkey populations. Leave comment number 1 if you support this approach by farmers. So what's causing this invasion? Urbanization and agricultural expansion have devastated the natural habitats of monkeys, forcing them to seek new shelter. Changes in the environment due to climate change have also affected the monkeys' food sources and habitats, causing them to move closer to humans to survive. Feeding monkeys, littering, and improperly keeping monkeys have inadvertently created conditions for their growth and invasion. Shooting wild monkeys has long been seen as the most common method to control their numbers in Florida. Statistics show that around 10,000 monkeys are culled this way each year. However, the effectiveness and ethical aspects of this method remain a contentious issue. Some argue that shooting provides only temporary effectiveness and cannot fully resolve the monkey invasion problem. The shooting of wild monkeys to control their numbers has become a heated topic of debate in Florida. Some condemn this action as cruel and unnecessary, especially considering the intelligence of monkeys. However, proponents of this measure argue that it is the most effective way to manage the increasing monkey population, which poses threats to agriculture and community safety. In search of a balanced solution between controlling the wild monkey population and ensuring ethical practices, Florida has implemented the strategy of planting eco-barriers. This approach not only protects crops from monkey interference, but is also seen as environmentally friendly, causing no harm to other animal species. Planting eco-barriers contributes to creating a clear boundary between agricultural areas and the natural habitats of monkeys. This helps maintain ecological balance, protects biodiversity, and ensures the sustainable development of agriculture. Faced with enduring challenges in agriculture, the application of greenery and harmonious solutions plays a role not only in protecting agricultural environments, but also in creating favorable spaces that promote positive interactions between humans and nature. By combining agricultural intelligence with environmental respect, we can aim for harmony, where humans and nature coexist sustainably. Planting windbreaks not only ensures safety for agricultural operations, but also encourages positive communication between humans and the natural environment. Do you know which animal can help control the proliferation of invasive monkeys? The answer lies with dogs. Properly trained with various roles and purposes, especially in managing monkey populations, dogs have proven effective in many areas worldwide. They are trained to attack and drive monkeys away from both agricultural areas and residential communities. The effectiveness of this method stems from monkeys' fear of dogs. In fact, just a few dogs present in an area are enough to make monkeys leave. As a result, monkey populations are efficiently controlled without resorting to measures that cause serious harm to them. This method not only protects agriculture and the environment, but also showcases human creativity in finding solutions for managing wild animals and maintaining ecological balance. Using cage traps is an effective solution for controlling the population of wild monkeys. These traps help capture and gather the monkeys in need of control safely and systematically. A notable advantage of this method is its humane nature, ensuring that the trapping process is painless and does not adversely affect the monkey's health after capture. Caring for wild monkeys after capture is crucial. They need comprehensive health checks and vaccinations to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Do you support this method? Leave a comment with 1 if you agree and 0 if you disagree. Many wild monkeys are also domesticated, cared for, and trained to participate in circus performances, bringing joy to audiences. This is not only a humanitarian act, but also contributes to providing income for local people and creating a safe living environment for these monkeys. In addition, providing food sources and habitats similar to their natural environment plays a crucial role in releasing wild monkeys. The release area must ensure it meets all the natural living needs of the monkeys. This not only contributes to conserving the monkeys' original habitat, but also provides them with the opportunity to live freely and effectively reintegrate into nature. Relocating and managing wild monkeys in other areas is an effective and humane solution for sustainable control of their population. However, to achieve optimal effectiveness, close coordination among government authorities, local residents, and the community plays a pivotal role. Through this collaboration, we can ensure that the management of wild monkey populations not only protects the environment, but also contributes to ensuring safety and sustainable development for both humans and wild monkeys. The wild boar herd scattered in panic, trying every means to escape the relentless pursuit of the world's finest hunters. What crime did this wild boar herd commit to provoke such fury from seasoned hunters? The extraordinary reproductive capacity of wild boars has led to their increasing numbers, resulting in enormous food demands and audacious incursions into farmlands and urban areas. These plump wild boars brazenly rampage through cornfields without hesitation. However, the reasons behind this aggressive behavior of wild boars may not simply be attributed to instinct or food scarcity. In my view, there are other factors that need consideration. The airplane soared into the sky, carrying experienced hunters on a dramatic pursuit mission. Below, the wild boar herd scattered in chaos, but their attempts to escape became futile against the skilled marksmanship of the hunters. Gunshots echoed intensively, each wild boar falling one by one, paying the price for trespassing on territory. For most of the wild boar herd, this was the apocalypse foretold. Only a fortunate few found a way to escape the massacre. Even though they possess a fierce nature, the wild boars have to yield to the fierce pack of hunting dogs, forced to flee to preserve their lives. Even the treacherous terrain cannot hinder the determined pursuit of these hunting dogs. They are ready to plunge into the water to accomplish their mission of capturing their prey. The herd of chubby wild boars darted into the deep forest, desperately trying to evade the seasoned hunters. However, their nimble skills and smooth coordination rendered all escape attempts futile for the wild boars. Only a small fraction of the thousands of wild boars could be fortunate enough to escape this bloody massacre. Wild boars often retreat to water bodies, which not only provide essential water sources, but also serve as ideal environments for their reproduction and growth. Aware of this, experienced hunters have adjusted their strategies, focusing on tracking wild boars in marshlands and natural water bodies. Besides wild boars, deer are also among the wild animals known for aggressive incursions into agricultural areas, causing significant damage to crops. Habitat loss and territorial changes force deer to seek new food sources, leading them to appear near agricultural areas, residential zones, and even homes and roads. Notably, these deer not only confine their activities to fields, but also boldly invade residential areas, causing alarm and concern among residents. Facing aggressive deer herds armed with sharp antlers, hunting is considered the most effective method to control their numbers. With years of battlefield experience, seasoned hunters swiftly take down each deer. However, while this method may seem harsh to many, the damage caused by deer amounts to hundreds of millions of dollars annually. Besides wild boars and deer, North American black bears also pose a significant threat to farms, especially cornfields. These bears are quite large, weighing between 199 and 662 pounds, and often appear to cause damage to crops. In addition to damaging crops, black bears also invade and cause damage to homes, especially areas containing water and electrical systems. In the United States, hunting is often seen as the most effective method to control dangerous black bear populations. The size and strength of these bears make the use of traps or cages difficult and ineffective. With skilled marksmanship, professional hunters can efficiently take down black bears with precise gunshots, leaving no opportunity for the animal to resist.